Welcome to IT Pro Express.
How to enable or disable the focus cell in Excel. Hey there, Excel lovers. Welcome back to IT Pro Express. Did you know Excel 365 has a simple option to enable or disable the focus cell effect? No need for complex VBA. It's just a few clicks away. Let me show you how. Let's get started. The focus cell is the highlighted cell that shows where you're working in Excel. You might find it useful for tracking, or you might prefer to turn it off for a cleaner view. First, go to the View tab in the ribbon. Here, look for the Sheet View group. This section allows you to customize how the grid and cells appear in your workbook. Now, click on the drop-down menu under Focus Mode and toggle off the focus cell effect. Instantly, the highlighted border around your active cell disappears. If you ever want the focus cell back, just go back to the View tab, click on the Focus Mode drop-down, and toggle it back on. It's that simple. While you're here, you can also explore other options under Focus Mode, like hiding grid lines, headers, or even entering a distraction-free view. This helps tailor Excel to your exact workflow. And there you have it. Enabling or disabling the focus cell effect in Excel 365 is super simple and can make your experience more comfortable. If this tip helped you, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to IT Pro Express for more amazing Excel tips.